Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and I hope that this video will be very helpful for you all because I had made a video long back कि इंडिया में अगर आप मिनिएचर कार्स वगैरह अपने पर्सनल कलेक्शन के लिए कहीं बाहर से मंगाना चाहते हो तो उसके लिए क्या कैसे सिस्टम रहता है। उसके बाद से एक जो सवाल बहुत ज़्यादा आता है कि ठीक है, लेट्स से वी वांट टू गेट दोज कार्स फ्रॉम अब्रॉड, सो व्हाट इज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट सोर्सेज टू गेट इट फ्रॉम। Recently, I had told you about a store in Singapore, but that is more like a grail store. जो अल्ट्रा एक्सक्लूसिव लिमिटेड एडिशंस वगैरह होते हैं वो सब आपको वहाँ से काफ़ी इजीली मिल सकते हैं, बट रेगुलर जो आपके मल्टी ब्रांड्स वगैरह होते हैं वो सब अगर आप लेना चाहते हो तो एट अ गुड प्राइस विथ गुड एंड more importantly reliable delivery वो कैसा रहने वाला है। So today I'll be introducing one such store and I'll make it very clear that I personally have a partnership with them. So what has been my experience, that is something which I will share, और बाकी जो डिटेल्स वगैरह हैं वो सब मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा, किस कंडीशन में गाड़ियां आई हैं, कौन कौन सी गाड़ियां आई हैं। काफी बड़ा एक हॉल है। द वेट ऑफ द बॉक्स विच केम, इट वाज क्लोज टू 9.2 kgs. इट वाज अ मैसिव ह्यूज बॉक्स एंड देन द बॉक्स विच केम इट हैड द कस्टम्स टेपिंग। कस्टम्स वालों ने उसे खोला था चेक करने के लिए कि उसके अंदर क्या क्या है। सो आई वॉज लिटरली प्रेइंग कि इसके अंदर सब कुछ ठीक हो। अनफॉर्चुनेटली नहीं था। क्या कैसा था, आई विल टेल यू एवरीथिंग वेरी ट्रांसपेरेंटली so that you have a very good realistic idea. If you want to get, you can definitely get that. And also this store is offline also, so if you or any of your friends are traveling to the Netherlands, Amsterdam का जो international airport है उससे this is not too far. So this is there. And before making this video, because I have known them for quite a while, तो मेरे जो close friends थे who have been visiting Amsterdam, I always made it a point to recommend it to them. I sent them the Google link कि this is the store, you can go check it out. अभी के लिए जो स्टोर का नाम है और जो इसका एक इंट्रोडक्शन है वो मैं करा देता हूँ। दिस इज इट, दिस इज टॉम्स। सो इनकी जो वेबसाइट है दैट इज toms.nl. आई विल पुट इट इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन, आई विल पुट इट इन द पिन्ड कमेंट ऑल्सो सो दैट यू कैन सी। और यहाँ पे पीछे इट्स लाइक अ मिनी थैंक यू नोट दैट थैंक यू फॉर चूजिंग टू बाय फ्रॉम अस, वी होप योर परचेज विल गिव यू मच जॉय एंड वी वुड लव टू सी पिक्चर्स ऑफ योर परचेज, टैग अस, हैशटैग। और दे हैव मेंशन्ड दैट दे ट्राई देयर बेस्ट टू मेक श्योर दैट एवरीथिंग अराइव्स इन गुड कंडीशन। अगर नहीं आया है तो आप इनको बता सकते हो। और यहाँ पे काफी सारे लैंग्वेजेस में थैंक यू लिखा हुआ है। आई रियली होप दैट वन डे इंडिया से भी उनको उतना वॉल्यूम मिले ऑर्डर्स का कि दे कंसिडर एडिंग अ धन्यवाद हियर। एंड पर्सनली स्पीकिंग द बेस्ट पार्ट विच आई फील अबाउट दिस इज दैट दिस इज मॉडल कार्स, किट्स एंड कलेक्टेबल्स। तो काफी ब्रॉड रेंज है इनके पास विच रेंजेस फ्रॉम हॉट व्हील्स टू द बेस्ट ऑफ द बेस्ट, वट एवर यू कैन इमेजिन यू विल फाइंड देयर। इनका जो रियल लाइफ स्टोर है, आई विल बी मेकिंग अ शॉर्ट वीडियो अबाउट इट वेरी सून. इट्स लाइक अ ह्यूज मैसिव स्टोर, सो आई विल मेक अ वीडियो अबाउट दैट वेरी सून, सो यू विल गेट टू सी इट इन डिटेल कि इनका जो ऑफलाइन स्टोर है वो किस लेवल का है। अभी के लिए इफ यू कैनॉट विजिट देयर ऑफलाइन स्टोर, यू कैन गो चेक आउट देयर ऑनलाइन स्टोर एंड आई ऑल्सो हैव अ कूपन कोड फॉर माई सब्सक्राइबर्स. आई विल पुट इट इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. आई विल टेल यू ऑल्सो इट इज DSC10. So I think you can get 10% off on your cart value, which is I think a pretty sweet deal. So now the interesting bit has come to show you the cars. And there are a lot of cars, so I'll start from the smallest and I'll show you all of them one by one. So we'll start off with this. ये Matchbox के जो ऐसे Matchbox वाले कार्डबोर्ड बॉक्सेस वाले छोटे छोटे पैकेजेस आते हैं, ये काफ़ी अच्छे होते हैं एंड पावर ग्रैब सीरीज जो उनकी होती है, तो इफ यू वांट यू कैन परचेज द फुल बॉक्स ऑल्सो. हाउएवर आई विल नॉट रिकमेंड इट. मैं क्या रिकमेंड करता हूँ नहीं करता हूँ दैट आई विल मेंशन इन द एंड ऑफ द वीडियो व्हाट आई थिंक विल वर्क बेस्ट फॉर यू इफ यू वांट टू गेट फ्रॉम दिस वेबसाइट. बट लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट दिस कार. दिस इज द 2023 Jeep Avenger and I really like the color on this, very nice. Then over here we've got the Polaris RZR. I think I've got 10 of these, 10 matchboxes. कौन कौन से आए हैं let's see. We've got the AMC Eagle. Then we've got the Ford Police Interceptor. Then we've got this garbage truck also known as Garbage King. Then over here we've got a very special one. This is the Chevy Silverado EV. And also you can see the sticker here which says new for 2024. So this is the Silverado EV and probably I can do a video comparing this with the Hot Wheels one. Let me know if you are interested in that. This one is super special because this is actually a cycle trailer. So I've got a lot of motorcycles, so it will be very interesting to use this for photo shoots and stuff. Then the last three we've got some interesting ones because this is the International Star. Then we've got this which is the Matchbox Fire Dasher. And finally, the last car from our Matchbox single pack is this Matchbox Field car. So these are 10 Matchboxes. We'll probably do a detailed unboxing of these. Let me know which ones are you interested in. जिसमें भी आप interested होगे, we'll definitely unbox and show it to you guys. So these are the 10 Matchboxes which we have received single packs. Another beautiful Matchbox which we have received is actually this, because this is the Matchbox moving parts. Probably you can see right here, and it's the new packaging, this recyclable packaging over here. You can see I'll make a detailed video on this very soon. This is a 2024 Mercedes-Benz G580 with EQ technology, so the electric Mercedes G-Wagon. This is super special. I was waiting for this and I got this from there, so I'm very excited to open this and show it to you guys. Now that we are done with Matchbox, let me show you what I got from Hot Wheels. Now Hot Wheels, as we all know, car culture does not come to India, so everyone is looking for ways to import it. And that is why I imported the full pack of this. I imported a sealed box of this. This is the Team Transport. This has some amazing cars, and the first one is this. This is the flip side hauler along with the Lamborghini Reventon Roadster. Then the second one in this is this Toyota Corolla 11 with the Sakura Sprinter, beautiful yellow color. And the last one in this is the iconic Land Rover Defender 110 along with the Jaguar Mark 1. And I really love that I get two licensed cars in this along with a super cute trailer. However, here is where the sad story comes, that I told you I ordered the full box which contains 4 pieces. So this was the 4th one, and customs, when they opened my box, they actually opened this one to check. I'm not really sure what they wanted to check, but yes, they ripped it apart, and I am just super lucky in a way that this was the one which was double in quantity. So yes, I got a sealed one, and luckily the car is in okay-ish condition. Obviously, because it was opened, it's not the best, but probably I can make a detailed video on this later and show it to you guys. So yes, I am showing this to you guys so that you have an idea that okay, this might happen and you are ready for that. Then talking about Hot Wheels, the next Hot Wheels which I got is another premium set, and this is the Track Day boxed diorama set. Now this is super special. This rarely comes to India. Box dioramas are rarely seen in India. And the reason why I got this, it's got some of the best, most iconic cars of all time. It's got the Sauber Mercedes C9, it's got the Lamborghini Essenza SC V12 and the Audi Sport Quattro, along with the Euro hauler in a beautiful black and gold color scheme. So this is what it looks like from the front, and I'll be honest with you, this is like a wonderful golden set. Beautiful one, and I'll put the link in the description. You can go check out all their prices on the website, and maybe if you've got friends in Europe, you can send it to their address. Maybe you can get it directly. That is completely your choice. Now that we've got this out of the way, we'll come on to some of the premium cars which we have received. Out of the premium cars, the first is this. This is the Tarmac Mercedes AMG G63 in this beige color with the tent. So I was really confused between this and a Porsche RWB, which was the red and yellow one. Let me know, how is this? How did you like it? Personally speaking, I love G-Wagons. I've got a lot of these, so this is a beautiful variation, and I've got the Mercedes G-Wagon by Tarmac. It's a great casting, so no regrets here. This is the first one. The second one is a Para 64. I'm getting a Para 64 after a long time, and I love this because this is the Toyota Hilux, and the livery, the iconic racing livery, the Toyota, this is like a cream and dark red, maroon kind of, cream and maroon kind of color scheme. I absolutely love it, and I'm just showing these to you right now. Later on, what we'll do is we'll create some dedicated unboxing videos for these. Another premium casting, which is also, this was very high on my wish list. This is the Toyota Alphard Z in the platinum white pearl mica color. I'll just show it to you on the flip side. It's officially licensed by Toyota. It's an officially licensed product, and anyone who knows me knows that I really love these big vans like the Kia Carnival or the Toyota Wellfire Alphard, and that is why this is a very special addition to my collection. Another very special premium car is this. We got the top secret R34 by Inno64. So yes, this is the Malaysia Diecast Pro 2024 special edition. This is a beautiful car in a beautiful color, and I am super excited to make a detailed video on this. Coming on to last few of the premium cars which we have received, this is the Nissan R35 GTR in the Liberty Walk Kuma livery. So I recently got the Silvia from this, and yes, this is a beautiful colorful livery. I absolutely loved it, and that is why I think this is a great addition to mine. So there are 3 cars in this color scheme so far. I've got 2 of those. I'm looking for the third one. Let me know if you can help me source it. Then we've got this. Now this is super special. Why? Because this is the Shell Porsche 962. So I recently got the 956. I recently got the Porsche 956, the same one. This is actually Sparky in collaboration with which is Tiny HK. So they have got the Shell license, and yes, I've already got the 956. Now this is the 962 and it's in the Shell livery. Another super interesting thing about this is that this is only 2000 pieces worldwide. This contains 2 cars. So this will also be unboxed, and before that I need to unbox and show you the 956, which I got probably 14 days back, but I still have not unboxed it. And the last premium 64 scale model, which is also my first, is the BWT Alpine F1 Team by Spark model. So this is a Spark model, and if I compare it to the other 64 scale models, I can see that the acrylic is a bit smaller in size. I'll show it to you in detail. And this is the BWT livery Alpine Formula 1 car, and this is driven by Esteban Ocon. So yes, I really like the driver as well as the car and the color. So this is also what I will say a bucket list kind of car for me. I always wanted this. I was even considering to get the Solido 118 scale. Still might get it, and it will be a perfect pair for this. Now that we have got the premiums out of the way, I'm about to show you a bigger scale car. This is 43 scale car, and I'll be introducing a new brand by showing you this car, because this is the 999 collection. So this is a super collectible model. This is not for children under 14 years, and it is owned by the diecast company in the Netherlands. And the car is also very exclusive because this is the Mitsubishi Pajero Amsterdam Police, and this is limited edition, only 504 pieces in the world, and this is one of those. So yes, we'll definitely make a detailed unboxing video about this. And recently I have got a lot of 43 scale models, so this will be a very welcome addition in this classic acrylic box. It comes in an acrylic box, and also I really like the fact that it's a very rare car, and even the model, the police edition, it's very cool. And saving the big one and the best one for the last, because this is an 18 scale model. This is also by the 999 collection, and yes, this is even more iconic because this is the 1993 Mercedes 190 German police car. So first of all, the car in itself is very iconic. You don't really get to see it very easily. And then this German police version is even rarer than that. So I'll just quickly show you. It's got some great front details. It's got some great rear details. And the packaging is actually very good. It says that it is an exact scale model and this is not for children. So this is it, guys. I mean, these are not too many cars, but yeah, it's a decent number. And then if I have to talk about my experience of getting these cars, I must say that I am super impressed by the fact that each and every car, even the most premium models like this Formula 1 model or the Toyota Alphard, these are ultra delicate models and still they have arrived in perfect shape. 18 scale models are very difficult to transport, but even the 18 scale model has arrived in great condition, and the mirrors and even the hood ornament, because this is a Mercedes, it's got that 3D logo on the hood, even that is intact. So I must give a very big thumbs up to the diecast company Toms.nl for brilliant packaging. However, one thing is that when I got the shipment, I realized that probably it was a little too many cars, and that is why customs also started suspecting something, and they did hold the package for quite a while. They even opened it up, which led to actually a very unpleasant experience. I mean, just looking at this card, it just breaks my heart, because you guys know how I am about my cards and the card condition, and I like keeping them carded. However, I think for now it's a good thing that luckily we had 2 of those, so I'll probably be able to show you that. I'll make a detailed video on that unboxed version. But yes, this is the present situation. Let me know what do you guys think about it. First, what you guys do is you go to their website, browse their products. They also have sealed cases available if you want to get those. So I think all in all, it's a great store, and if they are willing to ship to us, I think that's a very big win. For now, go browse the store, make your cart. Remember to use the code to get your 10% extra discount on your cart value. It is DSC10. I'll also be mentioning it in the pinned comment or in the description. So this is it guys, and before ending, please remember to drop a comment that which among these are you most excited for, which one's unboxing video or detailed video would you like to see as soon as possible. Hope you liked this video, hope this video helps you in finding a new source for your beautiful diecast models. Thank you very much.